Hi friends, here in this video I'll be explaining what is the meant by an effort. In case of a simple machine, effort is the force which we are applying in order to operate that machine or to lift a heavy load, also called as the resistance which we have to overcome. This effort can be applied either with the help of hand or it can be applied with the help of foot if it is a foot lever. So I'll write the definition here. So it is the quantity or the force which we are applying in order to operate a simple machine. Next, it is denoted by capital P. And since effort is the force which we are applying, its unit would be either in terms of Newton or kilonewton. So, and in case of a simple machine, the effort which we are applying is always less than the resistance we have to overcome or the weight we want to lift. So I'll write down that effort P will always be less than the load W which we want to lift or the resistance we want to overcome. That is in case of simple machines. And this effort can be either in the form of it is applied at the end of the lever. If it is hand lever or hand operated machine, then this effort is also the effort which we are applying at the end of the handle of a screw jack in order to rotate it, or a hand wheel which we are rotating. Next, effort can also be explained like if we want to draw water from a well, in that case the effort which we are applying at the rope in order to lift the bucket. Through the rope, the force is transmitted to the pulley and then it goes to the bucket. So the effort which we are applying at the end of the rope can be treated as an effort, and in case of simple machines, its value would always be less than the load which we want to lift. At the end, if you all find my videos helpful, you all can like, share, comment and subscribe our channel and share it amongst your family and friends. Thanks for watching.